Let's begin with breaking updates now coming in. Politics over the Durgapur horror now continues. The BJP has launched a scathing attack at Mamta Banerjee, even fact-checking Mamta Banerjee for the claims that she has made. Now, the BJP says, and I quote, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee lied about the girl being out at 12:30 a.m. The truth is that, as per the medical college, the girl went out at 8 p.m., which is a decent hour by any standard. The girl student, a Dalit, was not gang raped inside the college campus. Hence, the responsibility of ensuring her safety rests with the police and the state administration. The Chief Minister tried to put the blame on the medical college. It won't be a surprise if she negotiates with the Muslim community leaders in the region to botch the investigation and let the accused boys free for their support in the upcoming election. So, big charge by the BJP. This is after the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee had sought to pin the blame on the victim, going on to say that the victim should have been careful and should not have stepped out at night. My colleague Ridhita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Ridhita, there has been a lot of outrage over what the West Bengal Chief Minister has said. She said that women should be careful. They should not have stepped out at night. Even seemed to be raising questions on the medical college, as she said that they should not have allowed the girl to step out of the college late in the night. And this is being viewed as victim blaming instead of assuring the girls, assuring the women of West Bengal that your safety is in safe hands. And now the BJP is attacking Mamta Banerjee, alleging that even the claims that she has made is absolutely false.
Absolutely, absolutely. You see, this is not for the first time that Mamta Banerjee has been ball-tossing it on the court of the women after they have been raped, and this is a continuous repeat of event and statement that comes out from Mamta Banerjee. We have seen in the flowing incidents in West Bengal's whenever the women's security and safety was questioned. This time also in the Durgapur medical, in this private medical hospital, the girl had exactly stepped out at 8:35 as per the logs, and then she went out for a dinner with her male friend, which is but obvious and a distant timing for anybody, any male or female, to go out. As also we get to understand that there is no standard time for women to get out of their place, rather the state to provide us with safety and security purposes. But then last time, if you remember, during the South Calcutta rape case where the Mamta Banerjee had actually stated that they did not put out a question on the government college's timing of the college gates to be shut. The college gate was open after 4 p.m., which was not allowed by the clock of the government college. But then she did not speak on that. But now, since this is a private college this time, she is ball-tossing it to the private college and stating that the private college should have been cautious about their timing. And why did they even let the girl out? Secondly, she has also misinterpreted the timing. She went out, the girl had went out with her friend at around 8:35. But Mamta Banerjee during her bite had said it was 12:30 at night, and why was she even allowed outside at 12:30, knowing the fact there is a jungle beside. So the question now comes out, which BJP has been stating back to back, that is it the question, is it the girls' question when they need to be safe, or the safety and security
upon the women of the state? And should they be aware that they should not step out at night because they can't be safe? Is that an admission by Mamta Banerjee, going on to say that if you step out, then you have to take care of yourself, that the state administration is not going to do anything at all? What kind of a message is the Chief Minister giving out when she says that the girl should have been careful when she stepped out? And now BJP saying that even the claim that Mamta Banerjee has made that she did step out late in the night, even that claim is absolutely wrong. It's not just Amit Malviya. Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP also going on to say, and I quote, Mamta Banerjee's lie caught on Durgapur. She said the girl shouldn't have been out at 12:30 a.m., but records confirm the horrific crime happened around 8 p.m. Instead of ensuring women's safety, Mamta has compromised the dignity of Bengal's daughters. She must resign as Home Minister and Chief Minister. This is the attack that has come in from Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP. So the BJP questioning Mamta Banerjee, saying, first, this is an admission by the Mamta Banerjee government that we can't provide safety to the women. And secondly, even the claims that she has made on the victim being out late in the night is absolutely false, because records actually show that the horrific rape took place around 8 p.m. That is when she had stepped out of the college. questioning Mamta Banerjee. Now, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee has been facing a lot of backlash over her remarks on the Durgapur rape case. And the BJP has hit out. She, remember, had claimed that her comments were misreported and distorted. Remember, Mamta Banerjee had questioned why the rape survivor was out of her hostel late in the night. Now, the Chief Minister has condemned the incident and assured strict action, confirming that 3 accused have been arrested and now saying that no one will be spared.
She was studying in a private medical college. So all the private medical college, whose responsibility? How they came out in the night at 12:30. And it happens in the, so far I know, forest area. And 12:30, I do not know what happened. Investigation is on. I'm shocked to see the incident. But private medical colleges also used to take care for their students. And especially the girl child, at night time, they should not be allowed to come out in the outside.
আমি প্রথমেই আপনাকে বলি দমদম মেয়াদপুরে আমি কিছু বলেছি আমার কথা ডিস্টার্ব করা হয়েছে প্লিজ আপনাদের একটা রিকোয়েস্ট করব আমাকে আপনারা কোশ্চেন করবেন আর তারপরে ডিস্টার্ব করবেন আমি ভাত খাই সেটা না বলে আমি ভাত বলে দিচ্ছেন এইসব রাজনীতি আমার সাথে করার চেষ্টা করবেন না কারণ আমি আপনাদের সাথে মিট করি অনেকে মিটই করেন না কোশ্চেন তৈরি করে দিয়ে উত্তর দেয়